Welcome back to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video we're going to be removing this electrical magician. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. Disconnect your battery. I'll remove the battery, but disconnect the negative terminal and wait. Disconnect the positive too and wait for a few hours. And then get right into it. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to, but safety first. So I'm gonna get my gloves and start taking stuff off. Let's get those plugs off. So one by one, and try to remember which plug you took off and what corresponding number it went to. It made a weird noise. Alright, now just because it came off this is pretty neat. It's a weird kind of plastic to withstand the temperatures of the engine bay. So I'm just going to go to town with taking these off. Be careful because this is high voltage and it will just destroy you if you're not careful. So that's why you disconnect all the electrical components first, and then like you disconnect the battery wired to the terminals and just leave it alone for a while. That's the best bet. That's the best bet. 1, 2, 3, and I'm looking for the fourth one. that just took off. I don't know where it went. Whatever. So we're gonna put these up here. Alright, that is the thumbnail table. Take this electrical connection off here. I already had it pre-loosened. And here's another one, which hasn't been pre-loosened. Pretty orange, look at that. And this one is bolted down. So let's get the fuel filter out of the way, and there's going to be a couple bolts to remove. One's up here, so I'm going to take that bolt off, and there's a couple of them on the bottom. So I'll get right to that. Alright, we're losing daylight, but it was a 12mm socket on top, and then on the back, same thing, but I had to use a 1/4 inch drive, a smaller drive. It's behind here, so I'm loosening that up. And here we go. Eureka, we have light. Alright, so where we are right now is loosening that one bolt off. Where's it at? So on the top, took one off, and then on the bottom, I'm loosening one off. And that should be what's keeping that on there. So let's get to it. Let's do it. Okay, I'll loosen that fastener. Here's the moment of truth where it comes out. And there you go. Now this is the most, I would say this is the most dangerous part on your vehicle, because it has a lot. It's high electricity. It can electrocute you and kill you. So be careful. And so you just want to make sure there's no juice going to your device. So let me get that light so I can set up my thumbnail. That's how you remove it. Installation is, as always, as usual, reversal of removal. So just put it back same way you took it out. And let me try to get a good thumbnail here. That's how you remove it, and to install it, you put it back in and bolt it back up, put the electrical connections back on. You'll be putting a new one on, of course, and then this device, this part, you'll be putting a new one on, and then putting these spark plug boots back on, and then connecting your battery back up and Another Mad Human Pizza video. Have a great and wonderful day.